Since I get so many questions about this property here behind me, I wanted to go over it real quick and just do an updated one and tell everyone what I know. Right now, the property has not closed, and actually, the owner, which is one of the top 5 mortgage servicers banks in the country, I'm not gonna name any names. They get kind of finicky when they hear names mentioned on public platforms like YouTube videos. But I will tell you, it's one of the biggest in the country. They are donating this property to a VA organization. Okay, so they're donating it. Now, it would have already been donated and closed, but little did they know there's a $9,000 code enforcement lien on this property from 2 years ago. Did that get wiped out in the foreclosure? No, it did not. So we had to deal with this $9,000 lien on this property with the county before they can even close and donate it to a VA charity organization. So I know there's a lot of bad publicity out there with banks and foreclosures, but this goes on a lot behind the scenes. And we used to do this a lot back in the day, but I haven't had one in many years that they were actually going to donate, but this is one of them. So let me just show you what this looks like if you haven't watched the other video that I have. Okay, so this is a brick house, and you can see that it does need a new roof. Okay, the roof's currently tarped. It's a 3-tab roof. It's got patches. It's got water damage on the inside from it, so the roof has to be replaced. So besides the brick, you've got some vinyl siding, front porch. There's a little side yard. Have no idea about any of the mechanics in this house. Just there's no power right now, so there's no inspections, nothing has been done with the property at all that I know of. But here's what you've got throughout most of the house. Something happened with this property for them to cut out the sheetrock. Don't exactly know what happened. What I do know is this house is not in a flood zone, so flood insurance is not mandated in this property. No flood zone. But this bathroom, the kitchen, the other bathroom, they're all original anyway, so they're extremely dated and need to be replaced. So this is basically a total rehab. Once you get the roof done, here's your living room area. You can see all the sheetrock's cut out. This wall is totally out. You've got this ceiling damage right here. But while this is all open, this should be redesigned anyway and opened up. Make this a lot nicer, more comfortable kitchen space. So your 2 bathrooms, your kitchen need to be totally redone. Get all this sheetrock. The windows are good. We don't know about the HVAC system. It might need replaced if it's original. Now they converted this garage. You can see they left the garage door. As you can tell from the outside, it looks like a garage, but they've converted this to living square footage. If it was me, I would put it back for a 1-car garage. But circuit breakers, getting no issues with that. It's all copper. Circuit breakers. You've got gas in the property. You've got a gas hot water heater. That's gonna probably have to be replaced for sure. I'm sure it is over 15 years of age, and here's your inside laundry room. So besides the roof, everything in here is mainly just a total cosmetic update. These floorings, of course, got to be replaced. They're ruined. Like I said, the windows are good. They don't have to be replaced. Just lots of sheetrock repairs, flooring, paint. You're gonna need to do some trim work. Here's your other bathroom. Like I said, it's dated. Here's bedroom number 3. House has a lot of potential. Does have this big screen and back porch area. completely fenced in backyard. Besides the new roof, the outside just needs pressure washing and be good to go. Clean up nice. You got the storage shed, but I don't know if it's unlocked, but it does have some wood rot and stuff in it. Yeah, they locked it up. Here's the back side. And that's really it. That's basically what needs to be done to this property. It is on a cul-de-sac, it's on sewer, it's a no septic system, but you're gonna need just about everything. This should be going active sometime at the end of April, maybe beginning of May. There's your inside unit. I don't know exactly what date yet. I know it took a little bit of while for us to get the lien with the county corrected and fixed. Luckily, the county did step up and release the lien, which was very nice considering this was being donated. There's your master one more time.